In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Gmail messages with anyone. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. We will use a Chrome extension for this. Install the mailie extension from Chrome Store. Now, open your Gmail. Select a mail thread. Click on the share button. And share the link with anyone you want. The person who clicks the link will see this message. When the receiver clicks on the "Take Me There" button, they will be taken to the thread only. Note that only the participants of the thread can access the message. There you have it. Sharing Gmail messages with anyone is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.